Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I'm showing you how to hide likes on Instagram post after posting. So generally you would expect that we're going to have to go into the settings and then disable something there. Not really, guys. Just go ahead and generally make your post. After that, just go into the post you've created. So let's say I will just go into mine. After that, you just press on these two lines right here on the to the right from my name, and you'll have this window pop up. So that's where it is. So we are looking the button right below archive called hide like count. Press on it. And as you can see, like count is now hidden. If you want to turn it on again, go in the same menu and unlike hide count. So you can do this with any post, regardless if it's a photo, video, a reel, or a story. You can do that, guys. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Enjoy, guys. If this was helpful in any way, subscribe.